Hello student, this is Rajiv and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to discuss some more questions that based on surface area and volume. In the last video, we have already discussed such type of problem, and I hope that you hopefully enjoyed this. Today, we are going to discuss a question which based on the same concept and the same topic. So let us see a question which based on that. Also we try to solve more questions that based on the cube. So first of all here we are going to discuss a question which based on the cuboid. Okay. So now let us start from question, and the question is here. A cuboid of dimension 16 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Then find the first total surface area of 4 walls length of diagonal and fourth is volume. I hope you still remember the formula for which these questions are required to solve. So here first of all we are going to find out the total surface area. Therefore total surface area is given by 2 times of LB plus BH plus HL. This is the formula, and the formula for area for walls is equal to 2 into height length plus width length of diagonal is given by under root L square plus B square plus H square, and volume is L into B into L. So these are the 4 formula through which we shall solve the question. Now let us see the first part of this question, and the first part is total length, total surface area. Now here L is equal to 16 centimeter, B is equal to 12 centimeter and H is equal to 8 centimeter. So the area becomes 2 into LB, यानी कि 16 multiplied by 12, 16 multiplied by 12 plus 12 multiplied by 8 and plus 8 multiplied by 16. So in this way we substitute the values of LB and H. Now calculate them. 2 into 12 6 72 carry 7 and 1 9. Is that clear? Again 12 8 96, 16 8 120, 28. So in this way we find the product. Now find out the sum. Now find out the sum. So 2 plus 6 8, 8 plus 8 16, carry 1, 9 plus 9 18, 18 plus 2 20, 20 and 1 21, carry 2, 1 and 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. So here the sum of the product. Now multiply by 2, 2 6 are 12, 2 1 are 2 and 2 4 are 8 centimeter square. So the total surface area is 832 centimeter square. I hope the solution of total surface area is clear to everyone. Now let us see the next, that is the area of 4 wall. In order to get the area of 4 wall, first of all let us revise the solution once again. This is the formula for total surface area, that is 2 times of product of length and width, product of width and height, and product of height and length. Okay, now the length is 16, width is 12, width is 12, height is 8. Height is given by 8 and length is given by 16. 16 into 12, 192. 12 area 96 and 16 area 128. Now add them. When we add, we get 460 as the sum of these three product as 460. Multiplied by 2 to 460, we get 832, which is the required result. So I hope it is clear. Now let's see the second part of this question. The second part of this question is given by area of 4 wall. Area of 4 walls is given by 2 into H L plus B. This is the formula for area of 4 wall. Now put the value. Since the length is given by 16 centimeter, breadth is given by 12 centimeter, height is given by 8 centimeter. So these are the value of length, breadth and height respectively. Now substitute this value in the formula. We get 2 height, that is 8, L 16 and breadth is 12. So these substitution are clear. Now multiply 2 8 16 and 16 and 12. 8 plus 6 2, that is 28. Now multiply 28 by 16. So 16 8 is 128, carry 12. 16 2 is 32, 32 and 2 34, 44. Now 448 centimeter square is the area of 4 wall. So that the area of 4 wall is given by like this. So I hope it is clear. Now let us see the third part. The third part is length of diagonal. Now length of diagonal is given by under root L square plus B square plus H square. So this is the formula for the diagonal of length of diagonal. Now substitute the value we get. When we substitute, we write square of 16, square of 12 and square of 8. Square of 16, square of 16, 256. The square of 16 is 256. Square of 12 is 144 and square of 8 is 64. So in this way we find out the square of 16, 8 and 64. Now find the sum of this question, sum of this square. So here I am going to write under root. Now add 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 14, carry 1. 5 plus 4 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 1 16, carry 1. 2 and 1, 3. 3 and 1, 4. So 464 is the sum. Now we have to find out their square root. So here we are going to find out the square root of 464. In order to find out the square root of 464, we have to prime factorize this. So here prime factorize as roughly. So 464 by 2, 2, 3, 2 by 2, 1, 1, 6, 2 5 are 10 and 2 8 are 16. Again by 2 2 are 4, 2 9 are 18 and 29. So here we can write it like this: 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. Okay. Now write pair. So here 2 pair of 2. So it becomes 2 into 2 root 29 and 2 into 2 root 29 can be written as 4 root 29. So that 4 root 29 is the length of diagonal. 4 root 29 is the length of diagonal. So I hope these two problems are clear. Now let us see the solution once again. So first of all here we see the area of 4 wall. Since the area of 4 wall of a cuboid is given by 2 times of height and the sum of length and breadth. Now substitute the value. Since the length is given by 16, breadth is 12 and height is 8 cm. So here we substitute 2 into height. Height is given by 8. So right here 8 and L plus B, that is 16 plus 12. Okay. Now 2 area 16 and 16 plus 12 is 28. Now 16 multiplied by 28 is equal to 448 centimeter square. So that 448 centimeter square is the area of 4 wall. So I hope the area of 4 wall is clear. Now let's see the length of diagonal. The length of diagonal is given by under root L square plus B square plus H square. Now the value of L is 16, so we write 16 square. The value of B is 12, so we write here 12 square. The value of H is 8, so we write here 8 square. Now the square of 16 is 256, square of 12 is 141, square of 8 is 64. After this addition, we get 464 as the sum. So this sum may be written in the form of prime factors 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 29. Since these are forming pair, so that one number is written out of the root in order to square root. So it will be 2 into 2 root 29. 2 2 is 4 and root 29. So that 4 root 29 is the square root of 464, which is the length of diagonal. So I hope the length of diagonal is clear to everyone. Now we are going to find out the volume of the cuboid. So here we are going to find out the value, the volume of cuboid. The volume of the cuboid. The volume of the cuboid is given by the product of length, breadth and height. Okay. So now substitute the value. We get 16 multiplied by 12 multiplied by 8. 16 into 12 8 are 96. In order to simplify, 16 multiplied by 100 minus 4. 96 can be written as 100 minus 4. So it becomes 1600 minus 64. Now solve. We get 1536 centimeter cube. So 1536 is the volume of the cuboid. So I hope the volume of the cuboid is clear to everyone. So student, I hope everything is clear. If you have any doubt, then you can ask by dropping a comment in the comment section. We shall meet in the next video with some new question. Till then, goodbye.